Brussels sprouts. Ah! Not anymore. Check this out. I always thought I hated Brussels sprouts. For 50 years, I thought I hated Brussels sprouts. I had them a few times when I was younger, and I don't know who cooked them, and I'm not sure how they cooked them, but hated them. Tasted like really strong cooked cabbage, and they were awful. So I've always thought I hated them, because I still don't like cooked cabbage. And my brother-in-law showed me something the other day that I didn't know. I like Brussels sprouts. Maybe it just has to do with how you cook them. I doubt very much if this is going to be anything new to you if you've been doing keto for very long, but if you thought you hated Brussels sprouts for a long time and you haven't had them for a while, I'm going to give you a basic recipe idea on how to cook them where they turn out fantastic. And you can take them like this and you can add all kinds of things to them to go with them. You can put in broccoli, you can put in cauliflower, you can put in asparagus, you can throw in onions and garlic and pepper and oh my, all different kinds of stuff. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to make Brussels sprouts. Fantastic. So we've got a nice hot pan, a little bit of bacon grease in it, and really that's all there is to it. Just get your bacon grease nice and hot. You put these, you cut them in half, clean them up a little bit, cut them in half, and you put them in there. Face down. Must be the right time. Now you just leave them in there and let them fry for a little bit. Put a lid on it, keep the noise down, keep the grease inside the pan so it doesn't get all over your countertop. And it doesn't take long. Now what you want to check for, you pick one up, turn it over, not really getting brown yet. You put it back. You want to let them get a little bit browned on the bottom. You don't flip them over. You want them to stay crunchy. You want it to stay crispy for the most part, but just nice and brown on the bottom. And when my brother-in-law made this, he put the bacon bits back in there and he sauteed some onions in with it. Myself, I would have put in some garlic, maybe some pepper. But they were fantastic. Let's check them again. Ooh, look at that, nice and brown. It's about time for them to come out. I like to just turn them over when I serve them. As you can see that nice crispy brownness that they get on the bottom. And they're still nice and crunchy and like raw on the top. Like I said, from here, you can make 100 different recipes with them. You could put them in a bowl, add some cheese to them, put them in the microwave or put them in the oven for a little bit, melt that cheese. Like I said, 100 different things you can do with it. So now, what I'm going to do is bid you adieu, and I'm going to go eat these. And there you go. I fried them up. I put just a little bit of salt on them. And them are good. So, there you go. It really is that easy, and they are fantastic. So, try this recipe out. Hi, I'm Putnut, and if you enjoyed that, please check this out. More low-carb cooking and reviews for you to enjoy. And if you like the channel, click right here to subscribe. And thank you very much.